Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up GoCanvas with Microsoft Outlook. To set up a GoCanvas integration with Microsoft Outlook, you'll need to use a workflow automation such as Zapier, Make.com, or even Pipedream, or something similar, okay? These platforms allow you to connect different applications and automate tasks between them. You can just easily choose a trigger, like a new GoCanvas submission, and an action like adding an event to your Outlook. Okay, as you can see here under GoCanvas, integrations still coming soon. It's not yet available, but you can just easily reach out to the customer support and let them know that you wanted a custom integration. Okay, you can just easily call them or create a ticket. But if you don't want that, you want to make your own integration. So again, go head over to Zapier, Make.com, or even Pipedream. Okay, now create your Zapier account. Go head over to Zapier.com. It's pretty easy to make. And then once done, once you're on your dashboard, go head over to the top left and click on Create. Click on Zaps. All right. I also forgot to mention that on Outlook, as you can see here, under Applications, we don't have a direct integration using GoCanvas. All right. As you can see here, we don't have it. So going back to Zapier, first up, let's go ahead and select the trigger. Look for GoCanvas. Click on it. Now select the trigger event, new submission. Okay. And then account, just go ahead and log in with your GoCanvas account. And once that's done, hit on continue, configure it, and then select the app name or project name. For example, daily field report right here. Just hit on continue and test it out just to make sure that your account and Zapier is well connected. Okay. Now tap away. As you can see here, it now have a check mark. That means that it connected successfully. Now let's go ahead and select an action. And for the action, just go ahead and find Outlook. All right. As you can see, we have that here. Just click on it. And once that's done, click on Action Events. And as you can see here, you can go ahead and choose from a variety of events in here. For example, when there are new submissions from GoCanvas, you can go ahead and select Automatically Create a Contact, Create Draft Email, Create Draft Reply, Create Event, Delete Contact, or whatever. Okay. For example, I'm just going to go ahead and click on Create a Contact. All right. Click on it. Account, sign in with your Microsoft or Outlook account, like so. Wait for it to load, hit on confirm, give the necessary permission, scroll all the way down and hit on accept. All right, so once that's done, you'll be able to see your Microsoft or Outlook account in here. Now, once that's done, just go ahead over to configure and test the Microsoft Outlook connection. And once that's done, you can go ahead and close this one, hit on publish. Once you hit on publish, it automatically activates the workflow, allowing the defined action to run automatically whenever the trigger event occurs. All right. Each time a trigger happens, Zapier will execute the associated actions in the connected apps. That's basically how you do it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.